Oh, what a lovely day to learn how to program. I just need some hot chocolate and then I'll be ready to go. Let's see, I need a cup and some capsules. I'm actually also kind of hungry, so I guess I'll get something to eat. Let's get a bowl and let's find some cereal. I guess that would be in the freezer maybe. Oh yeah, right there. That's my cereal. That's where I put it last night. And let's close that one again. Let's see here. I would also need some milk. Where would I put that? Oh, there. And we have our milk. And I would also need a spoon. So where would I put the spoons? Maybe... yeah, let's check over here. And there is a spoon. So I guess we are ready to eat. I guess I'll watch some coding tutorials while I eat my breakfast, so let's fire up YouTube. Okay, let me see, what video am I gonna watch? I think I skipped something yesterday. Yeah, I skipped the Hangman one, so I guess I'm going to watch that. Okay, enough joking around. I made this video because I wanted to explain to you what happened to my Ultimate C# and Unity course. You might already have noticed that the videos has become unavailable here on YouTube. And the reason that they are unavailable here is because I've moved the whole course from YouTube to Udemy. There are 3 different ways you can use to gain access to this course now. You can click the Udemy link in the description below to buy the course. You can also click the Discord link to join my Discord server, where you will find a coupon code that will make this course free. However, this coupon code is only valid for 1,000 users, and it's only valid from today, which is October the 4th, until Sunday, which is October the 6th. When those days are over, you're only able to get the course by buying it or by being a patron of mine. Because the third option for you is to be a patron of mine. If you're a patron, you will be able to go to the Patreon page and click the Udemy post and get access to a discount code that will make any of my Udemy courses free. So hurry up and click the links in the description below to gain access to my course for free before it's too late. Because I promise you, if you enroll on my course, you will learn a lot about C# and Unity. And besides learning a lot, I will also be adding a lot of cool assets that you can use in your own games. So thanks for watching, and I really hope that you will enroll in my course.